Hello dear viewers, welcome to our channel. It's very good to have you here. In today's video we are going to have a look at a simple mechanism for cleaning gasoline fuel injectors. Fuel injectors, when they get contaminated with a foreign material imported through the gasoline, their spray pattern will get distorted. That will cause malfunctioning fuel injector. If there is a malfunctioning fuel injector, you will happen to face power loss, misfire, and engine rough running. All that sort of problem can be eliminated by simply cleaning the fuel injector. Now for this demonstration, we are going to use locally available materials. We are going to use a disposable syringe, some electrical connection, and a cleaning solvent for cleaning fuel injectors. And of course, there has to be some power supply. For this particular fuel injector, because it is a 12-volt fuel injector, I'm going to power it with a 12-volt car battery. You can use dry cell for powering these fuel injectors. You can use a 9-volt dry cell for powering the fuel injectors. Now, the best way to clean a fuel injector is by removing the filter that is inserted in here. There is a pre-filter inside the fuel injector. It's a wire mesh type fuel filter right in here. You can remove that filter by simply screwing a wood screw and then yanking it out. That way you can remove the fuel filter. Now, once the fuel injectors are cleaned, you can replace new fuel filters and then you are good to go. The fuel injector cleaning procedure will continue until we have a perfect spray pattern of the fuel injector. So in order to get that, until we get that perfect fuel spray pattern, the fuel injection procedure has to continue. Now for that demonstration, we're going to use a locally available disposable syringe, electrical wires, and we have a push button for controlling power supply to the fuel injectors. Now whenever you are using an injector of this kind, make sure that it fits nicely. It has to be an airtight fit. You can have a syringe like this and then insert it and press it hard. You can check whether it is airtight or not by simply applying the plunger. You push the plunger. If it is an airtight seal, the plunger will have to go back. Look. See? Now this is an airtight seal. Then all you have to do is suck some sort of cleaning fluid in the syringe, insert it in here, press it hard, and then inject it in here, and then power supply to the fuel injector intermittently by the push button. Let's do the connection and have it checked. Now let's do the electrical connection. Right here we have the injector. Let's connect one line here. Make sure it is nicely fitted in there. And another line. And as you can see, they are electrically insulated so that they don't touch each other. That way you can make sure that there is no short circuit. Now we have connected the two electrical leads to the fuel injector, and then let's connect this to the push button switch. Let's connect this to the push button. Now I can connect another line from the push button. Now I can power these two lines. So here is how it goes. Electricity will pass here, and when the push button is pressed, it will come here, power the fuel injector, and then goes to battery ground. Let's check the connection. Let's power it up and see the connection. Let's apply power. Battery positive. Getting connected. And let's power this one with battery negative. Now when the connection is nice, when I press this, I should hear a click. See? The injector plunger is being activated as I push the push button. Now the electrical connection is done. Now we are left with supplying cleaner in here. Suck in cleaning solvent. Just put it aside. Then insert this. Make sure it is a snug fit, and have something for collecting the fuel, and then press it hard. Press it hard and operate the push button switch. See? Press it hard. Make sure that you have enough pressure on the plunger of the syringe so that you can have a perfect injection. So you can see as the fuel gets used, we have a perfect, nice injection spray pattern. So this is a simple method of cleaning fuel injector. You can, as I previously mentioned, you can remove the filter in here so that you can thoroughly clean the fuel injector and then replace it with a new one. So this is a very simple method of cleaning fuel injector. Let's do the cleaning for the other injector as well. This one is nice. Let's proceed to doing cleaning for the other fuel injector. Apply some cleaning solvent. Another method of cleaning the fuel injector is by using a carb cleaner or a throttle body cleaner can be used. If you have that spray, you can also use for cleaning the fuel injector. Let's press it in. Make sure that it is airtight connection, and then okay. This is not good. As you can see, this fuel injector is not good. It's leaking continuously. So we have problem. This needs to be replaced. See, without no electric power supply, it started leaking. This indicates that there is a problem with this injector. It's a leaky injector. As you can see, it's a leaky injector. It's leaking. So this is a malfunctioning fuel injector. It should get replaced. So this way you can test operation of your fuel injectors. Also you can clean and you can have a look at the spray pattern. All you need to do is make sure that you have a strong pressure coming from the syringe so that fuel gets sprayed, and have a look at the spray pattern. As you can see, this fuel injector is contaminated. It's not working nice, so it should be replaced. So dear viewers, this is all we have for you in this presentation. This is a simple method of cleaning fuel injectors by using locally available materials. In another video, sometimes in the future, I will show you how fuel injectors can be cleaned by using a cleaning solvent provided by a spray can, and we're going to use a carburetor cleaner for the same activity. I'll show you how you can also use that kind of cleaner. But if you don't have that kind of cleaner at hand, this is a simple method of cleaning fuel injectors by using locally available materials. If you like this video, please smash the like button. If you are new to this channel, and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing and be member of the family so that you will get notified whenever we come up with another video. Till then, stay safe.